I'm going to show you how easily one can install Sitecore even on a virtual machine over the network, and this is what I'm doing at the moment. So to do so, I provide the virtual machine username and password along with the machine host name itself. Then I click Test and Initialize, and what happens is that Sifon now copies all the necessary files into that remote machine. And once that's done, I am ready to go on with installation. And the thing happens next is that Sifon downloads the necessary installer from the network because it does not have it yet. And it works with all the latest versions of Sitecore XP starting from 9.3 and including 10.1. It promotes one-click default settings suitable for the most of us, which has all the settings you may want or expect out of the box. What it also does, it installs all the XP0 prerequisites if you choose so. You probably don't want doing that on the repetitive installation, but if you are doing that first time, that's definitely the thing to go. That makes sure you get all the things required and your installation passes smoothly and safely. In general, Sifon is the easiest option from all the available XP installers. It's much better and much more convenient than the official Sitecore installation assistant. It has all the settings that Sif allows you, but gives you better flexibility of configuration. And for example, this is the only tool available on the market that allows you network installation into any remote or virtual machine, and this is what I'm currently doing. Upon the completion, Sifon creates the profile so that you can benefit straight away from all the settings you have just installed. And I also want to show you the result in the Hyper-V window since I installed into that virtual machine. So I want to load the Sitecore in browser. I got all the security exceptions as HTTPS only is the only option for 10.1. Then I go with admin B and I see the new 10.1 interface. So let's check the license details. And I clearly see that's the same version I was installing onto a remote machine. So here we go. Of course, you don't need to install that into virtual machine. You can install it locally, and that's what the majority of people do. I just only wanted to demonstrate that Sifon makes all the combinations and all the permutations of installation possible. Thanks for watching.